Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something interesting that is being looked at. There's a German user called Deskmodder. He often finds all sorts of things and posts them on his blog about Windows, and he compares the code. And one of the things he did is compare code that's coming up in the Canary version and Windows 11 23H2. And what is interesting in here is that there's this new code, and you see here subscription status and active, not active, and then there's different types of subscription status in here. And what he is saying is, could Windows 12 next year be a subscription-based operating system? We've talked about, the fact that from time to time, somebody will pop up. It's like Microsoft will eventually have Windows as a subscription. And of course, in Windows 10, it never happened. That was the first thing that a lot of people thought in Windows 10 back in the day. Oh, well, it's free now because it's going to be a subscription. Eventually, it never happened. Windows 11, of course, is free. Well, not free. It's free if you upgrade, but you got to pay a license. And now that pops up with different types of subscription status. And what would it mean? Would Microsoft actually have a subscription status for Windows 12? It's hard to believe that a subscription would be required for the basic use of Windows 12. But I do think that there's these. So first of all, this is Canary, and you never know. This can probably make it, maybe not make it towards the Windows 12 operating system. But one thing for sure is there could be a different way of monetizing Windows with Windows 12 if you consider that it's going to be using an AI base. How about maybe you'll have Windows 12 stripped of AI stuff that you can use as a regular Windows, but if you subscribe, you might have the ability to use some of the artificial intelligence or AI things that Microsoft is developing. I have a hard time thinking a lot of people would like to subscribe to a Windows operating system. This is kind of interesting when you think about it. One thing for sure also, and that's what a lot of people don't know, and that's where it is that Windows is already a subscription operating system technically, because the majority of Windows users are enterprise, and enterprise pay a fee to use Windows. It's not a one-time license like the regular user. So this is going to be interesting. I don't know. I guess the question I would like to ask you guys today is, would you pay a subscription fee to use Windows 12? And if so, what would you want out of it? I personally would pay for it for a very simple reason, because I make these videos and I will probably have to have some form of subscription, if there is a subscription possibility, in order to show the features to all of you guys. But if I put myself in a standard user, an enthusiast, I don't know, it depends what it's going to bring. Windows 11 is still going to be here for a while. Windows 10 still has 2 years. I don't know. Would I, as a standard user, pay subscription? It depends what it brings and what it does. Maybe not. Maybe yes. I don't know. And one thing for sure is, if you make me pay for Windows as a subscription, better get those ads out of the way, because that would be unacceptable. So what do you guys think about a Windows 12 subscription-based Windows? Would you go for it? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.